Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right now? Plug in the charger, press the power button, and follow the on-screen prompts to sign in. Use a Microsoft account for easy file and settings sync. If you prefer privacy, choose a local account. Once signed in, connect to Wi-Fi so Windows can download updates and drivers automatically. Make sure to run Windows Update before installing apps so the system is stable. These first steps set a secure, updated foundation for everything that follows. Once the system is updated, personalize key settings. Open settings and set screen brightness, resolution, and power plan to balance battery life and performance. Configure the touchpad and keyboard to match your preferences. Next, install essential apps, a browser, antivirus, and productivity tools, then set defaults so files open correctly. Make sure OneDrive is signed in for continuous backup and create a system restore point. That way you can roll back changes if now you're ready for daily use. Pin frequently used apps to the taskbar, learn Start menu organization, and use Action Center for settings and notifications. Maintain performance by running disk cleanup and checking Windows Update monthly. Keep backups current with OneDrive or an external drive. If the laptop won't boot or a new driver breaks functionality, boot into safe mode to uninstall drivers or apps, and then use System Restore to revert to a known good state. That single troubleshooting step often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.